So here's how to add project portfolio in LinkedIn. First, we will go to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're here, go to the top panel and click on your profile. Then, click on View Profile. You will then be taken to your LinkedIn profile page. Now, click on Add Profile section as shown. Here, go to Recommended. Then click on Add Featured. Once you're here, click on the plus icon beside Featured. And then, click on Add a Link. You can use this option for videos, articles, and websites. Here, paste in or type in the link that you want to add. Click on Add. After that, click on Save below. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily add a project portfolio in LinkedIn.